my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed. Meko now congratulate to Baba. Oh yes, to Baba don born pikino. Yes, his 8th child to be precise. I said what? Yes. It looks as if our beautiful Natasha has given birth. Breaking news. Baba welcomes his 8th child, and this is a first child with Natasha, his new wife, Natasha Osawuhu. Yes, my darling. Natasha Osawuhu has given birth. We know that it's his 8th child. And a lot of people said, but my God, are you going to have another child? Oh yes. And Baba will continue to have children left and right if he continues to marry women, most especially women that have not had children of their own, because they want to have their own child. They're not going to waste their, childbearing years and not have a child. They will absolutely have a child. So you know what? Baba said, you know what, Annie, you gotta go. Annie left and said, it's okay. I will what? I will survive. I will survive. I will what? I will survive. She's out here in these streets with her friends and looking fabulous. And so he now has an 8th child. Will Baba change? Will the relationship be anything to write home about? No. Am I wishing them bad? Absolutely not. If Baba doesn't change his ways, then guess what? It's going to be the same result. I only think for the kids. I only think for the babies. But Natasha is there. Natasha will take care of her child. Natasha, I'm sure, has her own money. Plus, she'll get money from Baba and she will do her own thing. She will even come up out here and have another child because she wants a playmate for the first child that she has just given birth to. So Baba is going to be out here, not with 8 children, guaranteed 9, and then he'll say, well, you know what, while we're here, why don't we just round it up and make it 10? Or Natasha could end up having twins. Yes, stranger things have happened, and that would just tally up the whole shebang to what? To 10 children. God bless Baba. I wish you the best. I hope you can come out here and give us 1 or 2 songs. That would be nice. A fresh song. Because when you had the wedding with Natasha, you were playing Annie's song, and that was really, really weird. So maybe you can sing 1 or 2 songs for Natasha, and Natasha can, slow down, pipe down, and know that, everything is copacetic. Because the last thing we heard was that 2 of you were fighting in London. So maybe that necessarily was not the case because you were with child. I can't see the 2 of you getting any physical combat when you are with child, and that was just last month. So I'm not too sure about that. Anyway, Sha, it's just a little tit-tat. I just thought, let me throw it out there and let you know that Baba don't born pikino. Baba don't born pikin. I think for me, it was, I think because Annie was such a front and center in this man's life that I can't warm up to Natasha. I just can't. We knew Annie for too long and too well. So we were like, who is this? And so as he don't born pikin now, I beg, drop it in the comments. I don't know, Joe. Get a ZB. Get a ZB, Joe. I don't know. We just be seeing it. That's it. Baba, continue making money, because you got another 18 years with this child before you enter primary school, before you enter university. You'll be out here walking like a dog. You'll really be walking, dancing, singing, because the child must eat now. That's not his business. All right, my darlings. What else can I tell you? That's so we see Amo. Maybe they'll do reality show. Let us be looking. I will keep you updated. Until then, like and subscribe. And I'll see you I'll see you sooner than later. Hey, Sura the tailor is your man. Do you remember Sura the tailor? I remember. All of my love. My God, I am so excited. I am so excited, my darlings. We have officially launched the FDV website, and we have what? We've got products, we've got merch, we've got t-shirts, we've got tote bags. I am so excited. A lot of you said, Fumi, when are the t-shirts? t-shirts coming, and I want to tell you that I am terribly humbled. I had launched this exclusively at the meet and greet, and for the life of me, I did not know that we would sell out. I had no idea. So I had to put the money back into the business so that I could get some more t-shirts and tote bags for you. And I want to say what a journey this has been. The 2 t-shirts that I have, and I'm wearing one now with the v-neck, and I measured it so that it comes right down. Whether you're big busted, whether you're small busted, it will come right down to the center without opening with the bust. And darlings, I have what is delayed is not denied, because everything started much later in my life. I got married at 40. I had Adrian at 48. I started YouTube at 45. I started my business at 55. And so I want you guys to know that what is delayed is absolutely what is not denied. And so I made these for you in white as well as in black. It is tagless because I react to tags. We have t-shirts where you have no tags, and these go all the way from an extra large to an extra small. Some of you will be wondering, Fumi, what size are you wearing? I am wearing an extra small. We also have it in black for you, so let me show you. What is delayed is not denied. There you go. So whatever your preference, if you like white, if you like black, go right ahead. I love both. It is absolutely fabulous. Everybody, anybody can wear this, and just look at how it goes all the way down. I love it. So it covers your bottom for those of you that are conscious. You can also tuck it in halfway as well, make it loose, loungy with your jeans, and then you can roll it up. You can style it any which way that you like. I love it because you can also layer it underneath your suits because it's getting colder now, and the quality is absolutely what? Absolutely fabulous. And for my ladies that are double X, you can get the extra large because it is that big. You're going to love them. Super soft. Put them in the wash. They don't shrink. They don't shift. They don't shed. I put a lot of work into this because it was really personal. And I wanted again to send a message that what is delayed is never denied. And that means that you're only prepping yourself for greatness. It will come to you with such greatness. The next t-shirt that I made was eating my salads and minding my business. I loved it. And that's how I got here in essence. I ate my salads. I began to really have a healthier lifestyle. A healthier lifestyle, not only physically, but emotionally and mentally. Meaning that what no longer served me, I no longer wanted. I think that I just thought I can just bash myself around. I can abuse myself. I can ill-treat myself. You don't say beautiful things to yourself. But I would say to everybody else, oh girl, you're fabulous, gorgeous, this, that. I never said it to myself. And I began to realize that, Fumi, you know what? In the eating your salads is a representation of really taking a healthier stance to all of you, to everything of you. And salads are healthy, but you have the mental, you have the emotional. So I started speaking positively to myself. It was amazing. It really was amazing. I got more confident and I really began to love myself. And in part was when I started to say, Fumi, wear your natural hair. You are beautiful. You say it to others, you don't say it to yourself. And when I started to say it to myself, I began to have more confidence. I also realized that, Fumi, you don't have to be in any negative spaces. Negative anywhere. Because what? I am healthier. Hence the eating my salads. The minding my business was amazing. Because the more I minded my business, the more time I had to be productive with my life. Isn't that a trip? Oh my God. That is the real meaning of this. mind my business. So I really wasn't into the gossip. I really wasn't into unproductive conversation. I sat at a table, and every girl, lady, woman, female at that table was a CEO. When I tell you, we talked about production, we talked about fulfillment centers, we talked about where you can get better fabrics from Prague, from Portugal, from Bangladesh, from this, from that. I was rejuvenated, and I realized that, for me, when you stay away from stuff that does not serve you and is not productive to you, you truly mind your business. And I became a better mom. I became a better wife. I spent more time with the family. I enjoyed Adrian right across the board. That is a representation, because you are weeding out what no longer serves you mentally, emotionally, physically. Eating my salads and minding my business. They also come in an extra small, and it goes all the way to an extra large, and it's a bigger, loungier size. That's another thing, because I have been different sizes on this channel. Bigger busted, smaller busted. I've been curvy. I've been a limousine girl, and I loved every stage of me. I did. I really did. And that was why I said, I'm going to make it a loose fit. Why? Because if you're a curvy girl, it will suit you. If you're a slimmer girl, it will suit you. If you're an athletic girl, it will suit you. It's no longer what you look like. Truly, it's how you feel. And my limousine girls and my curvy girls, do you know, at that stage was one of my happiest times of my life, because it was when I gave birth to Adrian. This body created life when I was told so many times that it couldn't. And that was how I really realized, it became so clear to me that, woman, you're amazing. Men can wear it too, my darling boys. I will come out with a crew neck, but I thought, let me come out with a V-neck so that you can put all of your jewelry. That's another thing. You can put all of your jewelry, you can put all of your necklaces. It's just enough for it to show. It is just enough. When I tell you, this took so long, and it's plain in front, and you got the message in the back. You see, when you're walking away, clicking in your heels, that's the message. I lived for it. So those are the t-shirts, my darlings. If they sell out, don't panic. Don't panic. I will order some more, okay? And then we have what? We have our tote bag. We have our tote bag with the thicker straps that you can carry with you, and you can take this to the gym. It's a sports bag. You can take it to the gym. You can take it to the supermarket. You can take it to work. It's got the logos on both ends. And I'm going to show you something also. You have a magnetic clip, so you can clip it in. It will hold in together. Also, when you pull it apart, you will have the label also in the bag, and then you've got a big purse right here to put all of your keys. But guess what? Multi-purpose, my darling. You can also fold this bag. So I'm going to show you as is. You just turn it in like so on both sides. There you go. You fold it. Guess what? You fold it into the opening pochette. And there you go. There you go. So you can have this as an extra shopping bag. You can have this as an extra bag when you're going anywhere, even on the airport when you're traveling. It's so handy. So handy. It's a canvas bag. It is absolutely washable. It does not change. And we have it in pink. We have it in orange. We have it in sky blue, of which I live and love. Yes. And then we also have it in ice cream. Ice cream, because I love ice cream, and I also love yogurt. So baby girl, you are looking absolutely cute. I hope you enjoy these, my darlings. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for riding with me. This is just the beginning, because the bras are coming, the slips are coming, the panties are coming, the makeup, the skincare, the Afro hair care kit is coming. It's all coming, my darling. This is a black-owned brand, and I am self-funded. My financier is my wonderful husband. Thank you. Thank you, Ula. Thank you for the unconditional love and support. I could never do any of this without him. You're so generous, and God bless you. And God bless you too, my beautiful Fumi Nation. And I am so excited. The link is below, and I will be sharing how to wear the t-shirts, different styles, different suits for you. Thank you so very much. God bless. Bye-bye. Yay! We have launched. We have launched. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm just so excited. I am so excited. I am what? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.